to start by washing this. So guys, we are going to be adding it to the pot. Yes, it's very important to wash this because of sand, because sometimes the thing has sand under. I'll also go ahead and wash my pineapple. I have to make sure this is clean because they are going to be needing the back. I'll go ahead and add my pineapple peel. So this is why it's important to wash this, because you're going to be cooking it with it, and also my ginger. So this is the amount I'm using. I'll just throw it in. So I'll add in some water. I went ahead and add another 1 liter, so making it 4 liters though. So I have 4 liters of water in here, because for this amount you can add up to 4 liters of water or even more, depends how much you want it. So I'm just going to switch on the gas and allow that to come to a boil. Take a look at that.
Tu rigoles? Ah, tu vas changer de couleur?
Maman, mets-toi avec gomme.
Si, Nathan, vraiment, il faut changer de couleur des dents sales. Tu veux changer de couleur? Bon, on va travailler. Tout le monde a eu sauf Nathan et je vais essayer parce que je suis toujours là.
Yummy.
Like it?
Yes.
C'est bon,
Give her money to try.
Alors.
You like it?
Mama, have another one.
But that's for you.